In the heart of Goa, under the warm April sky, something revolutionary unfolded quietly. A gathering unlike any other, a sanctuary of science, spirit, and humanity. Welcome to NCICC 2025, Sanjeevani Life Beyond Cancer's National Conference on Integrative Cancer Care.
With total humility to the universe, I welcome each one of you to be a part of this space which we are trying to create for the next 4 days, which is about healing.
Now in its second edition, NCICC brought together over 300 people every day in person and lakhs more virtually on live. From India's leading oncologists and researchers to underprivileged patients and survivors who fight and live with grace.
Thank you very much मुझे experience कराने के लिए. It's awesome. I have no words for it.
From senior policymakers and global experts to caregivers, healers, and those who simply chose to show up with heart. Together we became one community. We opened with voices that shape the future. Panel discussions explored what creative cancer care truly means today. The merging of modern medicine with emotional, nutritional, and spiritual care. We created a platform for subject matter experts to share with patients the potential of cutting-edge technology as solutions.
कि डॉक्टर ने तो मना किया था कि मैं मरने ही वाली हूँ, लेकिन वो इन लोगों की जो थे न्यूट्रिशन उनको फॉलो करने के बाद मुझे नया जन्म मिला, मैं फिर से जिंदा हुई.
And just as importantly, we honored the silent backbones of healing. Caregivers, whose stories were heard, perhaps for the first time on a national stage. Day 2 began with breath and silence. From mindfulness and nutrition to gut health and yoga, the focus shifted inward. Expert-led workshops gave participants not just information, but transformation.
मेरा नाम रिया यादव है. 2014 में कैंसर हुआ था, तो डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि आपको मतलब बच्चा नहीं होगा करके, लेकिन मैंने संजीवनी से जुड़ के योगा किया, डाइट किया, उसको सब फॉलो किया और आज मेरा लड़का है 8 साल का.
Here, health wasn't just defined by reports, but by wide smiles, calm minds, nourished bodies, and connected souls. As the days unfolded, so did the layers of healing. Quantum healing methods were presented, backed by empirical evidence.
हम सब यहाँ पे आए हैं कुछ करने के लिए, और ये जो सारी चीजें हो रही है उसकी भी कोई कारण है.
Sound healing met science. Emotional well-being wasn't an afterthought, it was center stage. This wasn't just a conference, it was a movement, a platform where patients became participants, where learning became living. From the teachings of Kabir to the quiet power of non-violent communication, from acupressure to Ayurveda, each session was a thread woven into a larger tapestry of holistic healing.
Nobody was talking about comprehensive cancer care solutions. Nobody was talking about holistic healing. I feel that it has been God's grace that one could think of these programs and we could start these programs.
No two journeys looked the same, but here, every path was welcome. We had a lot to learn, but we also saw a true celebration of life and living as we came together to heal. NCICC is not just India's first platform of its kind, it is today the only platform in the world that approaches cancer care as a full spectrum of human experience on this scale. Sanjeevani Life Beyond Cancer is not just pioneering integrative oncology in India. We are building the ecosystem for it. One patient, one practitioner, one moment of awareness and care at a time. To everyone who was part of this 4-day symphony, thank you. You didn't just attend a conference, you lit a path for the world to follow. Here's to NCICC 2025, to raising the bar of cancer care, to felicitating the conversations that truly matter, to healing with community.
Sanjeevani!